Good morning, boys and girls. I am back to talk to you today about more weather facts. So we are going to learn about forecasting the weather, about telling everyone what the weather is like today. So I'm going to read this book, What is Today's Weather? And this book was written by Jennifer Boothroyd. Okay, so what is today's weather? Temperature, that's a big word. It's an important word when it comes to talking about the weather. Say it with me, boys and girls. Temperature. What is the weather like today? What is the temperature outside? Thermometers measure temperature. So this is an outside thermometer and it tells us how hot or cold it is outside. It's different than a thermometer we use to check people's temperatures. Is it hot? When it's hot, you need to drink a lot of water. Is it warm? So look at these words, hot, warm. They are weather words. Is it cool? Where you just need to wear a hoodie or a jacket or a sweater? Or is it cold? When you have to wear a hat and gloves and winter coats. Clouds and sun have a lot to do with what the weather is like. What does the sky look like? Is it bright and sunny? More weather words. Is it partly cloudy? Partly cloudy means there's some clouds in the sky, but you can also see the nice blue sky too. These are those big, puffy cumulus clouds that we talked about the other day. Sometimes the sun gets hidden behind the clouds. Do clouds fill the sky? So if it's a day like this, it's a cloudy day, not just partly cloudy. It's full-on cloudy day. Fog can make it hard to see. Does fog fill the air? Look outside. Do you see precipitation? Oh, this is a big, long weather word. Let's say it together, boys and girls. Precipitation. Precipitation is any kind of moisture that comes in the air, like rain or snow or sleet or hail. They are all forms of precipitation. Rain is water that falls in drops. Is it raining? Light rain is a sprinkle. Heavy rain is a downpour. So if it's raining really hard, we call that a downpour. But if it's just lightly raining, we call that a sprinkle. Some thunderstorms have very little rain. Rain with thunder and lightning is a thunderstorm. Hail can form in thunderstorm clouds. Hail forms in many sizes. And we talked a little bit about that in the book I read the other day, boys and girls, that hail can be as small as a little green pea, the vegetables that we eat, or it can be as big as a baseball, which could be very dangerous. You should get inside if there's a hailstorm. Is it snowing? Short, light snowfalls are called flurries. Long, heavy snowfalls or strong winds with blowing snow are called blizzards. This is certainly a blizzard. Look how hard the snow is blowing. It's not just coming straight down. It looks like it's going sideways. And look at the drifts of snow, how the wind blew big piles of snow, and it's almost up to the window of that house. That's a blizzard. What is your favorite kind of weather? My favorite kind of weather, boys and girls, is a bright, sunny, warm day. I love the warm weather. I love the sunshine. Let's look at some words in our glossary. Fog are tiny droplets of water floating close to the ground. And fog makes it look cloudy on the ground and it's hard to see in the fog. Hail are pieces of ice that fall from the clouds. Precipitation are any kinds of forms of water falling from the clouds. So hail, fog, rain, snow, sleet, they are all forms of precipitation. And temperature, the measurement of heat or cold, how hot or how cold it is outside today. All right, boys and girls, so your assignment today, I need to stop share and reshare, is a worksheet. Oh, that we are going to, let me see if I can get it. I'm sorry. I wanted to take you into my classroom. So just do this one more time to be sure. Okay. I want to make sure that I'm actually sharing the screen. All right, so your assignment today is today's weather, and you are the weather person. You are the meteorologist. Remember meteorologist, the scientist who study weather? You are the meteorologist today. So it's your job to tell everyone what the weather is like today. So the first thing you do, it says today's weather. What is the weather today? And they want to know the date. So I wrote the date on the top of my board up here so you would know what to write on your paper. 3, that means the month of March. It's the 3rd month of the year. -11, it's the 11th day, March 11th. -21, because this is the year 2021. So we write 3-11-21. And that's what you write right here on this line. Now, today, the weather is. Well, I'm not sure what the weather is today. So I am going to click on this link here. And this link tells us what the weather is today. Now I'm going to let you in on a little secret, boys and girls. I recorded this video yesterday. So this is my forecast for yesterday. You're going to have to click on the link today to see what the forecast is for today. But right here, it tells you what the temperature is. Oops. Tells you what the temperature is today or yesterday. It was 59 degrees and sunny. There's no clouds in the sky. It's a completely sunny sky. And the high temperature is going to be 62 degrees. And the low temperature is going to be 43 degrees. Now, you also need to tell us what the wind speed is. So if you scroll down, you can get all the other information you need for your worksheet. The wind speed yesterday was 7 miles per hour. And let's see, what else did we need to know? We needed to, that's about it. You are to, hold on. You are to write the weather forecast. So first you write the temperature, then you tell me it is a sunny day, it is partly cloudy, it is rainy or cloudy or foggy. Whatever the weather is today, that's what you write on this line. And then you illustrate what the weather looks like today. Is it a bright sunny day? Draw a bright sunny day in this box. If it's a rainy day, draw a rainy day in this box. And then the wind speed. I told you where you can find the wind speed on the Weather Channel link. Okay, so if you scroll down past the temperature, you will find that information, the wind speed. All right, boys and girls, I hope you're enjoying being meteorologists and telling everyone what the forecast is for today. Have a great Thursday, boys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow.